Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Lexus Motorhome. A masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship and innovation, this motorhome sets new standards for elegance, comfort, and advanced technology. First, let's talk about the interior. Lexus is renowned for its Takumi craftsmanship, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a serene, minimalist design that blends traditional Japanese aesthetics with modern luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from hand-stitched semi-aniline leather seating to open-pore wood accents. The living room area includes a large OLED flat-screen TV, a premium Mark Levinson surround sound system, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end smart appliances, including a built-in coffee station, an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, and even a climate-controlled wine cellar. The master suite with a king-size bed offers a tranquil sanctuary, while the spa-inspired bathroom features rainfall showers and premium fixtures, ensuring every journey feels like a five-star retreat. Now, moving to the exterior. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome is designed with both style and aerodynamics in mind. With its sleek silhouette and signature Lexus spindle grille integrated into the bodywork, it commands attention wherever it goes. The exterior is finished in a multi-layer metallic paint with self-healing properties, ensuring durability and long-lasting shine. A large power-retractable awning transforms the outdoors into a private lounge, while the precision-crafted alloy wheels and Lexus badging add an unmistakable aura of sophistication. Built on a lightweight yet ultra-rigid chassis, this motorhome delivers excellent stability without sacrificing agility. Every detail, from the LED lighting accents to the smooth body lines, reflects Lexus's dedication to design perfection. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome combines power with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Under the hood lies a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid system, delivering both impressive horsepower and remarkable fuel efficiency. Whether you're gliding down the highway or navigating mountain passes, this motorhome ensures a refined yet powerful driving experience. An advanced air suspension system adapts to different terrains, guaranteeing a smooth and comfortable ride. An intelligent 10-speed automatic transmission provides seamless shifts, balancing performance and efficiency. Additionally, Lexus has equipped this motorhome with the latest Lexus Safety System 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane trace assist, and automated parking technology, making it effortless to maneuver in tight spaces. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome is a luxury statement, and its cost reflects its craftsmanship and innovation. With a starting price of around $650,000, it's aimed at discerning buyers who demand both elegance and performance. This price includes all bespoke features, hybrid performance, and the premium craftsmanship that defines Lexus. To sum up, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome is a remarkable fusion of Japanese artistry, advanced engineering, and modern luxury. It delivers unparalleled comfort, performance, and sophistication, redefining what it means to travel in style. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or simply want the ultimate luxury RV experience, the Lexus Motorhome stands in a class of its own. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.